Customizing the iPhone home screen in iOS 18 is an absolute fun. You can design the home screen by pressing the app icons at the desired spot and even change the app's colors for a more dramatic look. But do you know that you can also hide the app names on your iPhone home screen as well? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this hands-on guide. That said, let's get started. So first off, you have to long press onto the empty area of the home screen to enter the editing mode. And after that, you have to tap on the edit button at the top left corner of the screen. And then choose the customize button in the menu. And finally select the large option in the menu and you are all set. It will not only increase the size of all app icons and widgets but also remove the labels. Hence, your home screen will appear more appealing. Now that we have unlocked this slightly hidden feature, make the most of it to ensure that your home screen always looks standout. And I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye-bye.